we start on an ME system?
Potentially. That.
We are at the point of having it unlocked. We just need to do it.
Yes. So you're gonna do all the fancy automation stuff, and I'm just gonna be here and look pretty, right?
Well, you're gonna be here. I can promise that much. So there's two things we need to do. One, we need to go mine that toroid of ass.
Yes. I will.
And build the machines. Would you like to go mine an asteroid or build some machines?
I will go mine an asteroid because...
Do you remember where it is?
Nathan, I just spent the last 5 minutes looking at my mini-map trying to figure out which direction I'm facing. But yes, I know where it's at. I imagine I need to get all of the skystone and stuff right around it too.
Not all of it, but grab a good chunk of it.
How much would be a sufficient amount of it, do you think?
Just that much.
Oh, okay. Well, there's 12 more in the chest, and I have the calculation press, so...
Awesome.
Back to, the base I go, because we only need the one press. Yes, I just came through the hole for... You're not even down here.
No, I'm in my chest getting some materials.
I fell down the hole for comedic effect, and you weren't even down here. Hey look, Nathan fell down the hole for comedic effect.
Yep.
Nathan, have 30 skystone and a calculation press.
Nice. Why don't you take this and make some inscribers and duplicate the other ones? Do you remember how from watching my videos?
I'd have to look through the recipes again, but yes.
Okay.
I need iron, pistoff, and fluix crystals. How do I fluix?
We need to make an energetic infuser. To make an energetic infuser, you can turn Certus into charged Certus, and then you can make fluix from that.
So do you want me to work on this as well?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have power cable doodad things?
Go fish. In fact, I think you might have been the last one to use them when you moved this stuff underground.
Yeah, I had to craft more because I didn't think to look in your chests before crafting more. They're not going to be in your valuables chest, they're going to be in your tools chest.
Yes. You're starting to learn Minecraft organization.
Okay, so I have energetically infused. Well, I'm going to energetically infused. So how do I actually do the do?
You have the infuser now?
Yes.
Put some Certus in it, and it will turn it into charged Certus.
And what do I do with charged Certus?
You take that, some regular quartz and some redstone, and you throw it in a puddle.
How many charged do I need to make?
Yes.
Helpful, thank you.
Glad to be of service.
Hey Nathan.
Yes. Yeah.
We don't have a puddle, so guess what I'm gonna... Ow. Guess what I'm gonna shove in the corner?
A puddle.
Yes.
You're in gliding mode again.
I have become Jesus once more.
I guess so.
Seems to be a common theme with this mod pack, apparently. What did we do with our water tank, Nathan?
It's in my tools chest.
Ah. Okay. Do you have a bucket as well? Oh, you have a bucket of water. How helpful for making my puddle. We now have a puddle down here, and I filled up the tank because why not? Here, have your safety bucket back. If I can hit the right key on my keyboard, that is.
Skill issue. So in answer to your question, let's make 5 inscribers, which means 5 fluixes, and you you get 2 fluixes for each set of quartz plus redstone.
So I would need 3 charged.
Yes.
Look at me mathing or something. Okay, time to inscriber, which requires a lot of iron and some pistoffs. And guess what I don't have the materials for?
Pistoffs?
Yeah. So I'm going to need stone, wood, and redstone, but I already have those. So you said 5, so that's gonna be 10 pistons I need,
Yeah.
and I can only make 2.
What are you short on?
That's what I'm trying. If I can click the right item in JEI. Nothing. It was just being weird. What is that? What armor is this guy wearing?
I think find obsidian, which you probably didn't drop any of.
Yeah.
Did he follow me down the hole?
Maybe.
I think he must have followed me down the hole.
Nathan,
Yes.
do you have any iron over there?
Yes.
My inventory is full. Guess what I'm looking forward to having?
An ME system.
Yes. That way I can stop dumping things in random places and losing them. Okay, I have the Chompy boys.
You ever heard to make the other presses?
Yeah, I just need to look at the crafting recipes again. So I need to duplicate them before crafting them into the different presses. That's right.
Yes.
I remember now. Guess what I'm gonna need to crush a bunch of?
That stone you picked up.
That I then threw to you, yes.
Oh, well, do I? Yes.
Can I have the skyrock, please? Thank you. I have the calculation press, which is going to turn into the engineering press, which I'm then going to chomp with an iron block to make another engineering press. Going to turn the engineering press into the logic press. Gonna chomp the logic press with an iron block. And last but not least, we're gonna make the silicon press. We need a better way of arranging all of our things, because just slapping them along the wires like that is probably not the greatest way of doing it.
Not particularly. So,
especially if you're gonna work on automating that stuff.
Yes. So I'm making a basic XNet system to automate this thing like I did in Creeping Dark 2. And I need a way to plug into power, and unfortunately, the XNet connectors do not like these flux ducts for fuck knows what reason. And I think what I ended up doing is I just connected it directly to the power cube.
What do you want me working on now, Nathan?
Let me think. Figure out what's a good place to put an ME chip fab.
I wonder if we could just stick that in another random corner somewhere.
It's about the right size. Well, in that case, we'll have to figure out a way to run power to it. So,
yeah, we could either stick it in a corner or put it along one of these other walls.
oh, what? Maybe it can go in this little nook here.
Yeah.
So I think.
Because eventually we're getting to the point where the only reason we'd be coming down here is to build new machines, right? We'd be doing all the crafting and fabricating and stuff from upstairs. Are we each
gonna run this behind the wall? Oh, if that don't look stupid as hell.
Hold on, what?
Yeah.
That's what I like to call physics.
Alright.
instead of stonks, we have physics spelled like that.
See, I need to stop and think for a moment how I want to set this up. Which is probably not a good way to do it for a YouTube video, because it would be funnier if I just plunk stuff down and then have to go and tear it all down and redo it.
Yes, that would indeed, in fact, be funny.
So, I'm going to... Well, just like in Creeping Dog 2, I'm going to do the inscribers like this. And now I need to run the cable somewhere where I can get at it.
Yes. Do you want me to throw you all the presses?
Yes, please.
Nathan?
Yes?
Can you go stand by that cable for a second? The cable in your hand is a lot bigger than the cable on the ground.
It is, isn't it?
Yes, also you picked up the marble I threw so I could actually like see the cable. Oh, I needed the chiseled one you picked up after I broke it. That's the yeah, there we go. You can have that back.
Right.
So you can
Can I get the other can I get the other my inventory's full of shit.
Yes, you have a bag, remember?
God damn it.
You did that to me.
I did.
So I did it back. Take that. Also, I have one of these random transmission coils because I accidentally crafted a third one on accident.
We'll use it eventually.
I was about to say, yeah, hopefully it.
I'm sure there's at least one more machine that we'll make by the end of this playthrough that will make use of it. At least one.
Now what? That's going to be a lot of today, is just me asking you, now what?
Yes.
One boring XNet explanation later.
Okay. Maybe we should like go out and explore the world and look for stuff. Like maybe the first mini boss dungeon.